Hi, my name's Steve Munkley and today I'm going to show you 3 different egg dishes. The first one I'm going to do is I'm going to make scrambled egg. There is many different ways of doing this, but I prefer to use a non-stick pan, use butter as the medium to cook with, and then I've just got straightforward eggs which I'm going to add some salt and pepper to. Some people do add cream and milk to it. And some people may even cook them over a bain-marie, but I find that this method is the best way to do it. So, first things to do, I've cracked my 3 eggs. They're lovely and fresh, got nice golden egg yolks to them. I've added a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I'm using cracked pepper only for preference. You can use white, whichever way you prefer. Just lightly whipping them up, okay? We're using an induction stove here today. And I'm just getting a little bit used to it, so we're going to go at about 5.5 there. As I said, a non-stick pan today, and butter is the medium that I'm frying in. More than anything, that's for flavour. I'm not going to get it too hot when I put the actual eggs into the pan. I'm just going to get it to a nice temperature so that there shouldn't be any colour on your scrambled egg. If you start getting colour, that means that they've burnt and caramelised slightly on the bottom. And for scrambled egg, that's not what we're looking for. So there you go. I'm going to let the butter just start to melt a little bit further. And as I say, I'm just getting used to this. We're going to take it up a fraction more. I just feel that temperature needs to come up so that the pan starts to melt the butter. Now, I'm using a spatula, but I'm going to use a fork once the eggs are in there, just so that I fluff up the eggs and make them lovely and light and fluffy. And as I say, I do personally prefer using a non-stick pan. You can use a stainless steel bottom. It's really up to your choice. Okay, so the pan is coming up. As you can see now, the butter's just starting to foam in there, so it's time to add your egg. And as you can see, it's lovely, got that lovely golden colour to it. Shows you the yolks are lovely and fresh. These are Burford brown eggs that I'm using today. But again, whatever you're supplied, they've just got to be fresh. It's no good having eggs that aren't fresh. You're not going to achieve anything using unfresh eggs. Okay, so as you can see, it's already starting to scramble. We're not rushing it. We're not putting it on full speed to get it done at 90 miles an hour. And I'm just agitating it. If you move it around too much, the water content of the eggs will start to come out. I'm stopping it from sticking on the bottom. I'm moving it around. There's no colour. And trust me, the little bits you can see in there is just the actual black pepper that we put in at the beginning. Okay? You can keep the shot on the pan for me, yeah? So we can show people. See, now we're getting to that stage where the scrambled egg's starting to come together. Okay, so I feel, personally, I've agitated it enough. Now I'm going to use my spatula so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. As you can see, it's all coming together nicely now. The pan's got that little bit hotter. Okay, I'm going to take it. This is an induction pan. I'll take it off the heat. So now I've got some lovely, light, fluffy scrambled egg, which now I'm going to put in the bottom of the pan there. Waste not, want not. Okay, so there we have it. That's our scrambled egg. As you can see, it's still got, it's condensed. It's not got any liquid coming around the outside that's running out, and it's light and fluffy. Okay? Number 1 egg dish is the scrambled egg.